Hello everybody, this is Joshua Kerman from eTrading Forums. I am the senior trade analyst here, and we're going to take a quick look at the market overview from our live trading room, the Forex trading room, March the 2nd, 2010. We are going to look at the cash and the Asia market for the Forex here, and we're going to start with our first trade of the day, which was the EJ, the Euro-Japanese pair, and we did take a short at the high point right where the trend line was about to be broken, but it held, and we took this down for about 48 to 50 pips here. We trade $50 per pip, and we did come up with a very nice profit here of $2,480. This was a relatively easy trade to take as we saw the trend coming towards it, and everything was working fine. We did take another trade later on that day with the same pair, and we were expecting a break of this trend line here. It did break. We did take it, but it did reverse on us. It reversed, and we did lose about, I would say, about 15 to 18 pips on this one. But overall, this pair did well for us with a nice large profit in the beginning and a small loss. We do maintain small losses when we see a turnaround. We don't stay in a bad trade for absolutely no reason. The second pair that we're going to look at would be the Japanese. The Japanese yen. These are the first pair, and this pair would be my favorite two pairs to trade, as they're the most volatile and they have the most movement out of most of the other pairs, unless of course there's news present. On this one, however, around 8 o'clock in the evening during the Asia session, we did take a long position here off the bounds from our trend line. We did notice that the upward movement was still intact. Some of our indicators have shown us strength moving up that way, along with our MACD and histogram. And we decided to take this one up, and we did. It wasn't for a lot of pips. It was for about 35 to 40 pips, and we did get a nice $1,800 long profit margin on this one. This one worked out pretty good. It was about I would say about an hour and a half, 2-hour trade. We did get out right here. We could have stayed a bit longer to see what it would do, but you know, I didn't like this long wick on this previous high, and I decided not to test it too much. I like the fact that it got to that point, and I got out with a safe margin right at the high of the previous high here. This one did not go up to that previous resistance here. So once I saw this one break the resistance, I decided to get out, as I saw there was no reason for any more movement. Plus, as you can see, our histogram and our MACDs started to move down. So we took a nice chunk of profit here, and we continued to our next trades. Our last trade that we took during the Asia session for March the 2nd here was another long. Again, a nice bounce off our trend line, and we did see a few touches. And when it came back down and touched it again, and we saw the volume spike coming up here, as long as the MACD and the right position, we decided to go long. And once we did that, we didn't go for a very we went in for about an hour to an hour and a half or so, and we did get approximately 23 pips out of this trade, which came out pretty nice at $1,250 for a quick trade. Again, as you can see, we did see the volume decrease and the sellers take control here, and we didn't play any games. We got it right around here in this area here, and as you can see from the histogram and our MACDs, they all started turning the other way on us. So we didn't want to wait, and we did a good move by getting out right here. As you see, it did turn and it did go down on us. Again, it did go up, as we can see later on, but here we're here to take profits. We're not here to give back and play games going back and forth. Once we saw we're in the profit, we're in the green, we took our money, put it in the bank, and from all three trades, we had 4 trades, but one went bad on us, and we were over $4,000 profit in this session here on the Forex. And that's what we try to do. We try to get our money out quickly and stay in the profits. Okay, this was a quick recap of our Forex trading day on March the 2nd, 2010. We'll be bringing you tomorrow's updates as they come. Thank you very much. This is Joshua Kerman signing off from eTrading Forums. Please visit us at www.etradingforums.com. If you want to join our team here and trade with us, would be more than happy. We do have a free session available for you guys. Once you go on our website, you can sign up for it, and we'll take you in here free, and you can see what we do and how we do it. And if we make money, why not join us? Thank you guys. Bid you good night and a great day of trading tomorrow.